Good day, this is Jim, and it's Slop in the shop time. We got some more purchases and items, obviously, what these videos are about, and odd and end things. So let's mix up all this slop, go out and feed the pig, and you guys enjoy the video. You know, you always get little jobs sometimes. And you have to kind of excuse my bench. I'm in the middle of drill work, and whoa. Anyway, we go to auction sometimes, and we went to one yesterday, and so one of the things we discovered was the teapots. The madam wants to set these around in the house as decorations, so this particular one that was discovered at the auction, if you're watching what I'm doing, the pin was missing. So I have some little small pieces of bronze or brass to make new pins, and of course I don't know, I was going to try to do this without soldering on this thing because this thing is old. So the idea here is put this little piece of a pin in it where it won't pop out, so you'll have a pin for the lid, and it's through there. Need to get it just a little better. It's starting. Let me see if I can use a piece of this brass pin to sort of drive it a little deeper in. I tried to cut it because then we'll stick it in. And sort of, whoa, that's good right there now. That's it. A little simple. But this is just really, we bought these just for more decoration. This particular teapot says it's an Arabian one. In 1870, there was a lot of teapots at this particular auction, so that's a quick fix. Put a little lid on there. Something it don't take but just a minute to do. And you see, I just took this piece of brass, a little brass rod I had a collection of, and I was going to try, when I seen it and we bid on it, I thought about soldering them in place, but then when I went and picked this rod up, it's fine. Looks like this teapot's a little bit like it's been soldered on a couple times before. It looked like it could use just a hair bit. Just right here. So we can get this lid come down just a hair. That's getting better. I'm trying to adjust the lid down in this little bit of a few twacks of a soft hammer to get it to set a little better. That's probably going to be about as good as it's going to get right there. Try to tap it a little bit, soft hammer. Hey, something a little out of the ordinary. I've got my GoPro out. I'm actually going to go do something else. I wanted to show you how my grass is doing, where I've been doing some, this work where the tree was. And this is kind of where we're at here with it. I'm kind of just sweeping across the yard here. So I've got to mow. I don't have time to do it today. So I'm going to mow probably tomorrow. And what I'll do is this area where I'm standing, I'm going to not mow it. Try to get some roots under this grass system. I hope you enjoyed Slop in the Shop. I will remind you that these videos are copyrighted production of James Dedman Sawlogs Plastic Hubs, and for your personal entertainment. I hope you enjoyed what we fed the pig today, and we'll see you on the next video.